Hello, this is a video of a Tokyo Auto Salon. It held on January 10th, 2025, but I have no time to make a video. Yes, this is a Jimny, 5 doors. Yes, the, the real one is very big. If you rise up the height, it looks very big, like a Land Cruiser 70s. They're almost the same volume of the Land Cruisers. The regulation is changed, and if you rise up the body, you must put the stupid bumper. On this video, I've been talking with the Toyotas and the developer of the 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo engine, maybe for Celica or MR2. I've been very busy, so I'm late making this video. Starting this year, taking a commercial video has been abandoned, and the Toyota Akio's customer really like streaming with walking has also been banned. For the past 40 years, Friday has been the press day, and Saturday and Sunday has been general public days. But these days, there are so many poor YouTuber gathers and on Friday, and so crowded, so that the organizer decided to change the rules. What is it? Very customized car, maybe based on the Lotus or something like that. I don't know. Take a look. This is the new Zika and the electric, the VN32 GTR. Oh, the electric 32 GTR. Stupid, unbelievable, no meaning, I think. Oh no. Very sad feeling and disappointed. I don't like it. No meaning. The body is very. I bought this car as a new car in my youth. Yes, it's a very nostalgic feeling. I have a very nostalgic feeling about this car, but electric motor, no good. Yes, this is a 35 GTR Nismo. The safety standard for the later 35 GTR in North America had changed, making the roof several dozen kilos heavier. Even with the addition of carbon brakes, the overall car has not become lighter. At first glance, it looks aggressive, but the reality is that it's hopelessly heavy around the roofs and cannot be driven fast compared with the earlier models. Into the Land Cruisers, yes, some young YouTuber that I don't know. And this is a Jimny, 660cc, the turbo, maybe a small one, K car. This is a K car. Yeah, the after parts maker very, yes, very wealthy. wealthy. They had large stage. The Tokyo Auto Sound stage is very expensive. It's almost impossible for poor shops. Yeah. Oh, yeah, nice lady. And this is iron bumper. There's a new iron bumper. I don't know the brand. They're crowded, and the Yaris and the Toyotas and the Mr. Akio's and Mr. Akio's toys. This is a 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo engine, mid-mounted. Yes, Yaris. Yes, it's very important model in this old salon. Yes, I talked with the engineer, and he says that maybe 5 or 6 bodies. At first, they use 1.6 liters and the Yaris engine, G16 maybe. But these 2 models, they use a 4-cylinder 2 liters turbo engine. Yes, it has a catalyzer with a turbine. Maybe they are going to sell on the market. Maybe. This unit has a 4-wheel drive transmission. Maybe they are trying to make this engine with 4WD system. Maybe it means they're going to sell the Celica GT4, maybe Celica GT4, or 4WD ML2. The naming is a contradiction. It is 4WD ML4 is available. Mid 4. And Nissan has a name and a mid 4. So 30 years ago, Nissan made a concept car, mid-engine four-wheel drive sports car, mid 4. Anyway, they are testing on super endurance race in Japan. And first of all, they are trying the technical possibility, and after that, they concerned about marketing. But now they are trying only a technical, pure technical possibility. But it has a catalyzer, and so maybe they're going to sell this engine. Yes, but the body is not decided. Seika or ML2 are not decided maybe. But engine is finished, almost finished as a commercial car. Oh, this is heritage parts. A86s and harnesses. Yes, very, 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 very good. Very good. I wanted to buy it. I wanted to buy it. Yes, I must order and maintenance. I maintain my A86. Yes, 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 very good. And not so expensive. Not so expensive. I must order. I must. A86. A86. The bell side companion is very good. Always. Yes, this is a Chinese and a white body of 886. A little bit heavy and the original with a 0.8 millimeters steel, but it uses a 1 millimeters steel, so it's not good. This is a Land Cruiser, the first generation. It's the first time to see the first model. Yes, again, that the strength of the engine is the same as the G16E engine, same structure, add one cylinder. It means 1000 horsepower is available, maybe. The Toyota says normal spec is 400 horsepower, and the boost up is 600 horsepower is available, they say. But the aftermarket trying hard than the maker. A86, I also have the same one. Yes, very good car, very good car. The best car for me is an A86. Very lightness, and well balanced and controllable. Yes, running cost is very cheap. It's important. Important. Yes, yes. The CP Type R. My friend is waiting for 3 years. 3 years. Too long. Too long. Too long. Yes, it's very good car, but the turbine is smaller than the FK2. So my boost up FK2 has a very big power, maybe 400 horsepower. But this FL5 engines and the turbine is very small. Maybe if you want to have the 400 horsepower, it costs very much. You must change it. Change into a big turbine. So this is Hyundai. Hyundai is an electric car. It's very fast, they say. Mazda Roadster is very expensive. 7 million yen. Yes, it's too expensive, maybe. Rolls Royce. Top secret. I don't like it. Yes, I talked with an HKS engineer. 1750 cc's piston kit, piston and the crankshaft kit, and Revolution tried to make the aim to maybe 600 horsepower. Yes, 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 yes. I don't believe HKS, but the almost all racing parts developer is gone on this 20 30 years because there are no race using a normal car, so that it's not necessary to exist the racing parts developer, TLD or Nismo or Mazda Speed and then Lariat or every manufacturer is gone because they exist for only for race. Very good quality parts they made, but there are no race with normal car, so there's no necessity to exist. so they all gone. But the HKS is for towards the poor boys, parts makers, so that now they're still alive and they were working, but not for race. Their work is making toy. Making toy is their work, not a race. So that I don't believe this makers parts. So no, almost no aftermarket parts in Japan now. The Australian is also hot and very good using the Canford camshaft, or Mr. Aki's hobby is very good. Yes, Mr. Aki's hobby car and very high quality. It has a Yaris engine is very high quality. It's difficult to power up, but the engine block is very tough. It endures and maybe 700 horsepower. Unbelievable, just like 1980s turbo F1 era, the same power. 1.5 liter with 1000 horsepower, they're almost the same. 1.6 liter with over 700 horsepower is available. Almost the same as Honda V6 turbo engine with Ayrton Senna MP4, MAKUHARI Honda. Yes, they almost the same level of power per liter. Okay. Talking about it with the HKS engineer, it was very fun. Yes, he's a good man. Please make an effort. Yes, I'm looking forward to make good things, but the HKS is a toy maker. Yeah, I won't buy this maker's parts. I will never buy. I don't believe this maker's parts, but the almost only the manufacturer of aftermarket parts is HKS. So that go for it. I don't care. Go for it. Okay. Sorry for a long time. Yes. I'll see you next video. Next is Yaris on circuit. I'll make a video next time. See you.